case! Chase is on the case!
The loud noises from the mayor's blimp has scared Charlie the parrot. He's flown away. Let's see if we can find Charlie and check if he's okay. Let's roll! Wow! You unlocked the joking emote by collecting all those pup treats. You can use emotes by pressing the button underneath the puppy face. Emotes can also be used to unlock help requests from citizens. Well done! All right, Sky, we need to figure out where Charlie is hiding. Use your wings to scout around the area and tell us what you see. Choose
Sky!
We need you to get out of your vehicle for this action. Press this button.
All right. What's around here? All right. What's around here?
Well done!
Charlie's not here, Ryder. He must be hiding somewhere else.
Let's continue the search. Sky, see if Charlie is over there.
All right. What's around here?
Well done!
Charlie's not here either.
Okay, good work, Sky. He can't be much further. Fly over those trees and see if you can see him.
All right. What's around here?
Well done!
I found him, Ryder. Charlie is in that tree over there.
Looks like Charlie needs help getting down. Marshall, use your vehicle's ladder to help Charlie climb down.
Don't worry, Charlie. I'm coming.
Choose
Marshall. Ready for a rough rescue.
Well done! Awesome work, Marshall. Charlie, you're better now, aren't you? Mission completed. You will choose a pup. Pups. Paw Patrol, Miss Marjorie just called. She needs your help. When the kittens were escaping, they startled her, and she dropped her grocery bag. Now her groceries are scattered all over Adventure Bay.
We can find them. Chase is on the case.
Let's roll! Well done, pup. We're still missing some groceries. Try checking the beach. Maybe they're hidden somewhere in the sand. Marshall, use your water cannon to look for the groceries.
Need water?
Well done!
No more hide and seek, Mr. Cabbage. Possum! One less missing vegetable.
Keep searching the sand with the water cannon.
Need water?
Well done!
All this sand makes me... Achoo!
Good job, Marshall! One last grocery to find with the water cannon.
Need water?
Well done!
Achoo! All groceries recovered, Ryder.
All right, let's bring all the groceries back to Miss Marjorie. This is a new costume! Woohoo! Do you want to quit the
Thanks, Paw Patrol. Those kittens were causing so much trouble. Now nothing will stop me from making soup tonight.
Well done! Mission completed! Mr. Hudson's plants are looking a little sad.
Let's help water them. They seem thirsty.
Marshall, use your water cannon to give the plant a drink. Let's roll!
Need water?
Well done!
One more thirsty plant to go. Need water?
Well done! Excellent job, Marshall.
Awesome! Mr. Hudson's plants look really happy now.
Mission completed. Wow! You unlocked a new stamp. Let's see how to use it. This is the postcard screen. You can use your unlocked stamps to make funny pictures. You can attach them wherever you want and however you want to the postcards.
Nice smell.
What's this, Captain Turbot? Another kitty catastrophe?
Paw Patrol! Oh, thank goodness you are here! I tripped and toppled and my glasses fell to the ground. Then the waves washed them out to sea. It's all because of those tricky kittens.
Don't worry, Captain Turbot. Paw Patrol is here to help. I can use my hovercraft to search the water if you're missing glasses.
Let's roll! Choose
Zuma!
Well done!
Oh no, the glasses are broken.
Rocky, see if you can fix them with your repair tool.
Rocky! Don't lose it. Reuse it.
Well done!
The glasses are good as new.
Great job, Rocky. Let's take them back to Captain Turbot.
1,000 thanks for your help.
Well done! Whenever you lose your glasses, just yelp for help. Mission completed. Emotes can also be used to unlock help requests from citizens. We're getting more calls for help from the citizens of Adventure Bay.
Hey, Paw Patrol, I need your help. I was preparing a pie for the festival, but it was knocked to the ground when one of the kittens raced by. Now I need more blueberries to bake a new one.
No problem, Mr. Porter. Paw Patrol is on the case. Looks like you can pick some blueberries from this bush, Pops. Rocky, use your claw arm to grab some blueberries. Let's roll.
Let's pick this.
Well done.
Got it. Mr. Porter will probably need more.
You're right, Rocky. Try this bush over here.
Come have fun at the Catastrophe Day Festival in Foggy Box, the most original cat-tastic festival in the world, nay, in the universe.
Let's pick this.
Well done.
More blueberries. Just need some more for the perfect pie.
All right, last blueberries. Grab them, Rocky.
Come have fun at the Catastrophe Day Festival in Foggy Bog, the most original fantastic festival in the world, nay, in the universe.
Let's pick this.
Well done.
Got him. That's all the blueberries.
Amazing work. Let's get them to Mr. Porter. Paw Patrol, let's roll.
Hello there.
Well done. Here are your blueberries, Mr. Porter.
Wow, these are really beautiful blueberries. If I get baking now, I'll make it just in time for the festival. You can count on it.
Mission completed.